cough medicine from your garlic, ginger, and honey. Yes, just the way our page name implies, our health matters. That is my ginger garlic. After scraping out the chaff on his body, I will pound it with my mortar. I prefer pounding it with my mortar instead of blending. Yes, so this is me pounding it. I'm going to pound it into a paste to make sure it is well pounded. Yes, garlic, ginger, and honey offers a relief from cold and cough, and it helps with digestive problems. It also helps in weight lose process. So those who want to lose weight, you can still use this method and prepare it and be taking it. That is honey, garlic, and ginger. It also heals infections because it contains antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. So it's help in sorting out cold and all that. So you can see it is well pounded. I'm trying to scrub it out of the mortar so that I'll add it up to my bowl where I'll mix everything and then added it up. So this is me putting it in a bowl, and this is my honey. And make sure the honey you're having should be original honey, not the one that is mixed already. So I'm going to add 2 spoons of honey to this. Yes, 2 spoons of honey to this. So thereafter, you're going to mix it properly. Make sure it is well mixed. So after mixing it, you're going to set it aside for some time. Maybe for, let me say, at least 5 minutes or so that everything will be well mixed before scooping it out. So you make sure it is well mixed properly before setting it aside. So after some time, you bring your you sieve it. You bring your siever to sieve it out. Make sure you press it so that all the waters in it will come out. You can see the way I'm pressing it out. Scoop it out. Scoop everything out. Our health matters. Sometimes all these syrups they sell in the pharmacies don't work well the way we want it. So you go on your natural or organic method in treating yourself. This chaff you're seeing, I don't throw it away. After I finish everything, I chew it. Yes, I chew it just to make sure that I get everything out. And this is what we get after everything. You can see how it looks. And of course, I'm preparing this for my daughter who wake up with severe cough and catarrh. So mixing it again to make sure that everything is well circulated. And this is time for me to feed her with it before going to school, because she was unable to go to school yesterday because of it. So I gave her 2 spoons out of what I prepared. So try this and thank me later. It's very, very good. Very good. It works a lot of magic. Okay? Have a wonderful day.